G'day, Russell here. Lucky enough to get away on the long weekend for one day to Portland, and been lucky enough to be blessed with beautiful conditions. Hardly a breath of wind here this morning. Nice sunny day. So my plan of attack will be just going to have a trawl around, see if I can get a few nice pinkies, maybe a snook, and then if that quietens down or get sick of that, might have a look for a few sand holes and chase a whiting. So we'll see how we go. I've got a different range of hard bodies to try today. I've got an X-Wrap in the perch pattern, a rainbow trout one, and I've got a homemade lure from my mate Mick from Eastside Anglers. Nice big hard body, homemade one. That's a great looking lure. I messaged him online. I said, can you please send me one of these? I reckon I'm going to catch a good fish on Portland on that. So really interested to see how that's going to go today out in the deeper water. But just glad to be out here on cracking day. Not very often everything comes together. I got a bye in the last round of cricket, no work, and yeah, got me kids looked after, so get to come out for a beautiful day's fishing with my mate Justin. We'll see how we go. Cool. This could be a snook. I know what it is. Yep. Ah! Just dropped a snook. Hopefully this time he stays on. I think it's another snook. Yeah. Oh. It was worth going back, bro. I just got a bigger one. A rainbow trout double clutch. Hey, not a bad snook there to start the morning after losing one just before. Both hookups have been on a rainbow trout double clutch. I catch a lot of fish on the rainbow trout Rapala, so I thought I'd get one in a double clutch and see. And yeah, straight away I've hooked two snook on it. So doing all right. So here we go. Give me a go. Now Mick, time to give it a crack. See how we go. I'm in deep enough now. We're gonna give Mick's homemade lure a crack. Been waiting for a couple of weeks to try this. Can't wait. Let's see how she goes in the water first. Oh yeah, that's just gonna smash fish. That'd be right. Why'd you go to get a sandwich? This is a good fish. I don't know what this is. Bit different anyway. There's a little pinky hooked in the side, it is. God, finally went to get a sandwich. I'll catch me second fish. Straight in the nostril. It's amazing how many you hook in the nostril. Not a bad little pinky there, nice colour, definitely well undersized. You can go back for a swim. There you go, buddy. Whew, go on, see ya.
Yeah, no, I'm a caught one, mate. I'm not sure, eh? The big ones are supposed to go hard.
Think I'm onto a good snapper. Nah, it's something hooked in the side. Oh, nice little trevally on the double clutch. Thought it was a snapper at first, but I think he buried down into the weed, and then I brought in a kilo of weed with him, so he felt a lot better than what he was, because I could feel him fighting and there was a lot of weight to it. But yeah, I'll take him, mate. Good job. I was just going out over that reef, my rod arced over and fucking lost a whole squid head. Nah, don't know what it was. Fucking, yeah, it hit it hard and then just let go, and I pulled on my line, I could feel nothing. I wound in and there's just me blank hook.
That's fucking weird, maybe there a couple of things around.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I'll fucking try another strip out the back here and see how I go.
That's it. I was picked up a fucking front decent salmon on the way home.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Yep. Alright, I'll let you know if I do anything else.
Alright, no worries, mate.
See ya. Nice little salmon. Put it in there. Oh, this is a fish. It's a fish in weed. Another nice little pinky, about 27. Oh, see ya. He's going anyway. All right. Rightio, guys. That's it for me today. The wind was supposed to get up at about 4, 5 o'clock this evening, but instead it started coming on at about 11. I was hoping it would just stay mild, but it's got up pretty strong now. 12:30 it is. The you know, white cap's blowing an easterly. It's not ideal anywhere. We all know the fish go quiet on an easterly, so I'd just be pushing it uphill for the rest of the day, I think, for not much. So as soon as that easterly got stiff, all the bites stopped, the snook went away. So I was planning to go have a look in the harbour, but with this easterly going, I might drive past and have a look, but I really doubt I'll launch again if it's, you know, blowing right through the harbour. You know, I like to go up the end and have a look for a salmon or a whiting, and that'd just be no good up there. So I think I'll be wasting my time. So if that's it, I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Finished up with a nice snook, a salmon and a trevally for a feed for me and my daughter. We'll eat them tonight, so they'll be good. Get home and I'll clean my fish and get home and clean my gear. But yeah, I was hoping for an all-day adventure, but you know, sometimes the weather doesn't play the game, as we all know. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.